Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to convert string into enumeration. So we already have enumeration called days, which contains all the days in a week. So let's initialize the string variable called input string, called input day, let's say, and we need a value of Monday. So we want to convert this string into enumeration value. So we need a days variable called day, and we want to say something like this. Enum.Parse, we need to specify which type of enumeration we want to, and also we need to use this input string, and we need to explicitly convert this into the days type. So I would say that we successfully converted the input string into enumeration. So let's quickly print that out to confirm that we got expected output. As you can see, we got Monday. So that is something that we were expecting to see. But what would happen if I say that this is not valid value for the enumeration because we don't have test inside this enumeration? If we quickly run the application, it's going to break, as you can see, because we cannot parse test into days enumeration as a valid value. So this is not something that I would highly suggest using in our application. There is a better way to do something like that. We need a bool variable called isValid, which is going to check if input string is a valid enumeration value. So we need to say Enum.TryParse. We need to pass the input day, and we want to use out parameter, which is going to be of type days, and let's call it day in a week. So what we are going to do, and I'm missing one part of the code, which is going to check if is valid. We are going to print that value. So what I did with this part of the code, I'm checking this method is going to return true if this input parameter was casted into the value of the enumeration. If input parameter is valid, this variable is going to contain true, and actual value is going to be stored in this out parameter. So this is going to contain actual conversion from string to enumeration. So let's quickly run the application and see what we got. We didn't get any output because this is not valid input. But if I change this to Monday, we are going to see the value because this is the valid input for enumeration, and this variable is going to be true, which means that we're going to print out the actual value of the enumeration. So let's quickly confirm that. So as you can see, we got expected output, and I would say that would be pretty much it for this tutorial. So I hope that you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.